100-year anniversary of the birth of Ronald Reagan. And we decided at that point that we would sponsor and work together on translating his book about his life into Estonian. And I'm so pleased to be here today with you to introduce the Estonian translation of An American Life.